1966 Volkswagen Deluxe Microbus for sale in Hesperia, California 92345. Get ready to experience the ideal balance of nostalgia and class. Spectacularly restored and cute as can be, 21-window classic view bus. Just about everything that can be refreshed or renewed has been done on this bus, and you can tell. Looking at it or driving it, wonderful. This fully restored microbus has a copious amount of time and care invested into it. This is a rare one indeed. A factory deluxe that rolled off the assembly line in solid Lotus White Paint.